Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kai Smith, and you could call me Kai the Makeup Educator for all of your makeup needs. I provide solutions to your makeup problems and answers to your makeup questions. Let's hop into this beautiful purple sultry makeup look that I did. It's an easy eyeshadow look. Let's get into it. First thing first, I always start my look off with doing my eyebrows first. I'm going to fill in the brow, draw the brow in, and then after that I'm going to start concealing the brow with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. At the bottom here, I'm using the lightest shade that is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin. This is the shade Cool Tan. I'm going to carve the brow out with the concealer, and then I'm going to take that same concealer and I'm going to place it all over my eyelid because the concealer is going to act as my eyeshadow base, okay? Now, I love the LA Girl Pro Eye Concealer as an eyeshadow base because it doesn't dry too fast. It gives me time to work. The reason why I wanted to put it on my eyelid and let it sit for a bit is so that it could get tacky and act as an eyeshadow base. Guys, this is super important because you don't want to have to use a million different products. So, okay, so this is an easy way to let your concealer act as an eyeshadow base. While I carve out the top of my brow with a darker concealer, this is the same brand, Educator Pro, but this is in the color Suede. As you can see, it's closer to my skin tone. But as I carve out the top, I'm going to let the bottom sit and get tacky. Once I finish carving out the top and blending it in, then I blend the bottom concealer out, which you'll see coming up right about here. So I'm going to pat that out, and as you can see, it looks like a perfect eyeshadow base. Some key things to take away that I let it get sticky first. All right, so you'll know the bottom is ready to get blended out once you finish doing the top. And look how beautiful that base looks. We're ready for eyeshadow. Let's go. Next, I'm going in with my Bear With Me eyeshadow palette. This is available on my website. I'll be sure to leave a link here. I'm going in with the shade Coconut first. And I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to start packing it first in my crease, okay? In my crease, I'm going to pack and shape the shadow. Packing gives us the darkest pigmentation, all right? And you're just going to pack until you get the pigmentation that you want. So I go in with several layers to make sure that it's dark as I want it and to make sure that it's even. Now I'm going to use the tip of the eyeshadow brush to blend out that line, okay? Right there, what I'm saying is that's my brow bone. I don't want the shadow to go way up there. I want to keep the brow bone nice and clear. So as you can see, I'm blending it out. I did not add any more shadow, and it's creating a lighter color, but it's the same exact color. We're going to do the same thing to both eyes, and you should have a beautiful blend that looks like this, okay? And blending takes time, so blend until you are satisfied with the blend. All right? Next, I'm going to go in with a purple palette. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Next, I'm going in with a clean brush. I'm sorry. And we're going to clean up the blend right here. Let's clean it up. We're going to clean up that blend. If you look a little rough, just clean it up. So I'm taking a clean brush, and we're going to just blend that out until it gets nice and clean. All right? So if your blend look a little rough, what I'm saying here is take a clean blending brush and go ahead on and blend it out. Also, if you got too much of eyeshadow that's getting close to the brow bone, that's what you want to do. Take a clean blending brush and start just blending it out with no shadow on it, okay? What I'm saying is that brush right there got too much of color on it. So when I blend, what it's doing is it's putting a whole lot of color up there, okay? And so this is a way to correct your makeup. You see how pretty that blend look on that side? The other side still look a little rough. See that? But the clean brush went back and cleaned it up. So that's a good tip for you guys. Taking a clean brush again. And all we're going to do is we're going to blend. Blend with the clean brush. The clean brush going to do two things. It's going to pick up any extra and unnecessary eyeshadow, and it's going to clean up the blend. Look at that. Magic, baby. Magic. Let me know if that's a good tip for you guys. Put it in the comments if you thought that was a good tip. I thought that was an amazing tip. Because sometimes it could get a little sticky when we blending, okay? Sometimes you can have too much of product on your brush and it could get all over the place. All right. All right, so now we're going to go in with my Hot Topic eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with the dark purple, okay? I'm going to be pointing to it right here. I'm going in with the dark purple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start smoking this shadow out, okay? If you know me, you know I love the smoke, baby. I want all the smoke. So we're going to go in. I'm going to start putting it on the outer V first, okay? Super important. Whenever you're adding a darker shadow, there's two things. You do not want to cover up the first shadow you put on, right? And then you want to make sure that you gradually add the dark shadow so it don't overtake everything. So I put it in the outer V and I start blending it in toward the inner or middle part of the eye, okay? And I'm going to just pat that in and then blend it to make sure everything looks nice and neat. And then I'm going to go in with this beautiful pale purple eyeshadow from the Bear With Me palette. Super, super pretty. This is actually a cool tone purple, and I love it. I'm going to go there, and I'm going to put it right there where my concealer is. I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush, a fluffy flat brush that is. And I'm going to pat it right into that area on the eyelid. I'm going to do 2 layers on each eye. So I'm going to pack the shadow on both sides. I'm going to go back and pack again. That's going to give us another layer and make the shadow look more potent, okay? Let it show up a little bit more. So don't be afraid to use 2 layers of eyeshadow, guys, so that your eyeshadow the true color could really show, okay? This is a beautiful eyeshadow look. I do have an eyeshadow course that is coming, so stay tuned. Also, you can check out my eyebrow course and my other courses that's available. For this portion right here, we're going to accessorize the look. I'm using the Maybelline Stay and Play eyeliner. It's a pen eyeliner, and we're just going to put a liner on at the top, and then I'm going in with the Essence Stay and Play gel eyeliner pencil at the bottom, okay? I did my face, as you can see, and now I'm going to go in with this LA Girl, or LA Colors, I believe, blue eyeliner. I'm going to put that at the bottom. It's cool tone, so I put that at the bottom. We're going to run it all across the bottom. You guys know that I love eyeshadow at the bottom. It just tie the whole look together and take it to a whole nother level. Also, if you have creasing underneath the eyes, this is also a good trick to camouflage the creasing underneath your eyes, okay? Next, I'm going in with a purple from the Hot Topic palette. This is going to be a lighter purple, not the dark one that we did. And I'm going to put it right on top of that blue eyeliner. So I'm going to set the eyeliner with the eyeshadow. Plus the eyeliner is going to help the shadow to show up really nice and pretty. And it's going to help it to last and stay and not run or anything like that. Okay? So we're going to put that on. We're going to blend it down a little bit. Just like that. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to take some lashes. We're going to put some wispy lashes on. Just like that. Let me know if you struggle with putting your lashes on, guys. If you do, I have a eyelash course. They show you how to put your eyelashes on in less than 5 minutes. Okay? Literally. So check out my my eyelash course. It's only $15. It's a video course. It walk you through how to put your lashes on the easiest way. It give you a product list and everything. So I'll leave that link in the description box as well. Y'all check the links out so you can learn how to do your makeup, girl. Next, I'm taking I took the hot cocoa liner and line my lips, and I'm taking my lip cream number 9. This is my product from my brand, my lip product. She is a bestseller. We're going to put that on. We're going to pat, 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 baby. And she was cute. Perfect for this look. Beautiful. Beautiful natural look. I love a brown liner and a pink lip. Super, super cute. Let me know your best lip combo at the bottom in the comments. This is how it turned out. Very beautiful. So y'all try this eyeshadow look. Let me know how you love it. Shout out to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. A lot of you are in the comments saying that I am really helping you with your makeup, and that's why I am here. So welcome to my community. I look forward to seeing you guys more and pumping out more videos. Okay, this is actually a TikTok live re-upload, guys. So follow me on TikTok as well, girl. TikTok is back, girl. Follow me on TikTok live, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.